Hello, I'm going to show you how to graph a systems of inequalities problem, just one. You can see both of these are starting out in standard form. It would be easier if they were both in slope-intercept form, probably for most of you, but that's just not the reality of things. You can see I'm doing this without graph paper, but that's okay. When I have a system of inequalities, I actually kind of give them colors. Where's my other marker? Oh, there it is. Hold on. I'm working while my children are sleeping. So, I'm in their bedroom right now. So you can see I'm working with these two colors, orange, and this is actually purple. It looks a little bit black on there. And the reason I give them color swatches at the beginning is because at the very end, when I go to graph this, I'm going to be shading. So I want to look for where these two colors overlap on the graph. So you have two ways you can graph it. I know my class that I was with the whole year, we did some cover up, finding the intercepts. If you're familiar with that way, you can do it that way. But because I'm making this video for both classes, I'm going to change it into slope-intercept form. That means I want to get y alone. I'm going to subtract the 3x. I'm writing the negative 3x first, because even though I'm subtracting 3x, when it's in slope-intercept form, I want to have the x first. Then I'm going to divide by a positive 4. So this one in slope-intercept form is that. So I'm going to be graphing y is greater than or equal to negative 3/4 x minus 2. Once again, that one I'm going to be doing in orange. For the other one, same thing. I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to subtract the 2x, and I'm going to divide by negative 3. When I divide by a negative, you have to make sure that you reverse the inequality symbol. So that is what I'm going to get here. Now, I told you I made these problems kind of blindly. It's a little too late at night to do too much planning ahead in terms of thinking, and I'm already looking at this saying, might not be a beautiful overlap here. That's okay. I'm still going to graph. Here's my coordinate plane I've made. With my orange graph, you can see that it's going to be a solid line. The reason the line is solid is because it has the equal to sign in the inequality. And it's going to be at, here's my negative 2. And the slope is down 3, right 4. So I'm just going to estimate. I'm going to say it's someplace over here. So that's a negative 3/4 slope. Like I said, it's a solid line. When you don't have a ruler, don't try to pretend like you do and make it, I'm going to do a line. Don't do that. Kind of sketch your way through it. It ends up looking a little better. And it says that greater than. That greater than is telling me that I'm going to graph in the upward direction. So I've just made all of that orange. That means all these points in the orange are potential solutions to the system of inequalities. I say potential because we still have to overlap with this one. Where'd that marker cap go? Oh, well. So now I have this one. I've already done all the work to it. So it's going to start at positive 2, which I'm going to say is about there. And it has a 2/3 slope. So up 2, right 3, approximately there. It's another solid line because that's the equal to symbol. Here's my line. You can see it's pretty neat. And it's a greater than sign. So I'm shading above. What this finally means is, I'm going to go back to my pen now, is that the solution to the system of inequalities is everything to the right of this line and above this line. You can see that that's where my orange and dark color was. So that is the solution. This part over here is only a solution for that dark color. This is only a solution for the orange. This is a solution for nothing. But this overlap here, that's the solution. Any questions? Just let me know.